Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your April 2023 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. And can I tell you, I had so much fun with the items in the dollar bead box this month. So stay to the end of the video because I added a clip on showing you what I made using some of the beads from this box. And it was so much fun. Okay, separate subscriptions, put that aside. Here's the bag. It's $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And subscribers can reorder April items through May 2023. It's $1 a strand. I mean, such a great price, and they're beautiful, beautiful beads. I have a coupon code for you, which I will put somewhere up there on the screen and in the description box below the video, along with a link to the website. All right, so let's get a look at these beautiful fire polish beads. Let's take a look at the 3mm, and I put them all in my hand because I think they look so pretty together. So we've got Navy Nebulous Luster, and these are 50 beads to the strand. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So, so pretty. And then we've got Matte Copper. Love these two together. Just copper is so beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous quality. Then we have Matte Black. So I love that we have mattes and we have lusters. And then we have Matte Vintage Blue Zircon Mix or Matte Vintage Rose Mix. And I believe this is the Rose Mix. Okay, I don't know. But it's beautiful. And I think all of these just look stunning together. Take a look at the 4mm, which I put all together as well because they're just so gorgeous together. Opaque Sky Blue. And look at that blue. That is gorgeous. Jonquil. So we are talking spring. How pretty is that? So that's sort of this yellowish, sort of champagne color. And we've got a opaque cobalt. One of my favorite colors. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then we have the 4mm in the Matte Vintage Blue Zircon Mix or Matte Vintage Rose Mix, which is this one, the Rose Mix. This is gorgeous. So here we have, see, we have the 4mm and the 3mm together. Isn't that beautiful? And we have the, it's not the same, but we have the 2 darker blues together. And just putting them all together, they're just gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so don't forget this is $8 a month. I don't know if I said that. Dollar Bead Bag subscribers can reorder April items through May 2023 for $1 a strand. Go on their website. I have a link down below. I also have a coupon code, which I'll link on the screen and in the description box. And look how gorgeous these are. Okay, let's open up the box. Usually I take everything out, but I didn't have a chance this time, so we'll enjoy it together. So here, just gonna pull this out. Everything is wrapped in tissue. Get the box. I put everything away. I take everything apart in my bead boxes and my bags, and I store them by color, sometimes by shape, most of the time by color. That way they're not just sitting in the box and I'm just never going to get to it. I just have all these beautiful colors together, and then whenever I need, let's say if I need a 4mm and a 3mm fire polish in this rose, mix, then I'll see them. They'll be right in my 4 and 3mm boxes. All right, so just let you know. Look at these beautiful blues. Oh, look at this. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, before we get to these, let me just see if I can. Okay, I'm filming at night, so my lights are a little bit funky, but that's okay. This month's box turned into a little celebration of blue and copper. It certainly did, and such a great combo. We didn't really plan on it that way, but we like the results. We hope you do too. And I love it when you put some colors together and it's not planned and it's just gorgeous. I'm just mesmerized. Look at this. That's beautiful. All right. Here's all what's new: Chinese crystal flowers and butterflies, check glass spikes, check glass designer strands, trilobite set, check leaves, squares, gumdrops. Here's all their social media. Here's contact them here if you need to talk to them about anything, have any questions. Let's get a look. So we'll start with the strands. I'm going to start with the strands, but just can I say that the dollar bead bag items, I love that they're coordinating it with their boxes. I mean, I don't know if that's intentional, but look at this. This is so perfect together. Absolutely love it. Of course, I get so excited when I see these colors. All right. 6mm check fire polish, sapphire copper lined, 20 pieces. Gorgeous. The copper lining is inside there. I see it. See if I can get you a little close up here. That is beautiful. I have another 6mm check fire polish, sapphire copper lined Maria. So this is, and 20 pieces on each one. So this is the copper lined, and this is the same bead, copper lined, but it has the Maria, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, coating on it. So how beautiful is that? Oh, love the color. So we have a 4mm check glass Druck blue aqua marble, 50 pieces. And when I first pulled this out, I thought it was a like a jade or some kind of stone, because look, it's got all the greens and blues in it. That's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Boy, they're knocking it out of the park these days, aren't they? Okay, next up we have a check glass pyramid. This is in hematite, jet hematite, 20 pieces. So cute little pyramid bead. Next up we have another 6mm check fire polish in matte copper, 20 pieces. So just like you have the matte copper in the, was it in the 3mm? Yeah, you have it in the 3mm fire polish bead. If you get, see again, if you get both bag and box, so worth it. It's amazing. And I love that we're getting a lot of 6mm fire polish, because it's a bead we don't see that much of. And it's just such a versatile bead. Look at that copper. Isn't that stunning? I love 3mm check glass Druck in jet AB, 50 pieces, 20 pieces on the copper. And this is beautiful. So it's got the jet with that beautiful blue, the blue of the AB, but all color, a lot of other colors as well. I love this 12 by 14mm check glass starburst aqua with jet, 8 pieces. So it's an aqua bead. See, oh, now you can see it with jet, like a jet wash on it. Isn't that pretty? I love these colors. I just think they're just lovely. All right, let's get a look at the additional items. Loving these colors. 12 to 14mm lapis oval. Isn't that a gorgeous lapis bead? Look how pretty that is. Get 2 of them. Just a simple pair of earrings. Head pin, little pearl at the top, or a little round bead. We have, oh, hello. Pull out one of those. Put your ear wire on, and you have the cutest little pair of earrings. I just love it. Okay, next up, look at these colors. Next up is a 10mm check glass square blue with travertine, 8 pieces. I mean, the colors are so vivid and beautiful. That's really pretty. That's really, really pretty. Okay, next up we have a check glass cube in jet, 5mm. You get 15 pieces. So a nice little cube. It's a rounded cube, which is really nice. That's very pretty. That would look nice with this because of the edging on it. Pretty, and then something maybe silver in between. Really beautiful. Next up we have the funky meteorite bead, and I love this 13 by 13mm check glass meteorite. I chuckle because, you know, I love these odd shape beads. I just put eye pins through them, and I put maybe a drop on the bottom and make an earring, or just a head pin with something at the top, and make an earring out of it. And I have a ton of these. That's what I do for the summer. I just think they're so pretty. They look like little stones, like little meteorites, and etched black with aqua. You get these 2. Make a pair of earrings. So cute. Don't see these every day. Next up we have a pewter toggle, 12mm. I'll leave it in the bag. It's antique copper plated. You get 1 set. So very nice little, I like the smaller toggles these days. I think they're so pretty and so wearable. Next up we have a check glass striped triangle, 14mm, crystal and blue, 4 pieces. Again, make a pair of earrings for you and your daughter, you and your friend. I mean, just very pretty. Or, you know, you can get more complicated and make, incorporate it in some bead weaving. But very pretty. Just a lovely stone. And the color, again, love. Okay, next up we have a check glass pine cone. You get 2 of them. Smoky topaz with silver wash. These are 12 by 25mm. So that's a big baby. I mean, if you like your big earring, that's fine. That would be pretty. But I would use this as a focal bead, or this would be great at the end of a lariat. So big chunky bead. Again, another unusual bead. We have 7 by 16mm check glass 2-hole crescent beads, copper half vitral, 6 pieces. And I know I keep threatening to use these. I'm going to figure out something with these. You know, I'm not the most creative when it comes to my 2-hole beads. I try, but you know, we'll get there. We'll get there. So they're very pretty. We have some daisy spacers, and they're pewter, 5mm, and antique copper, 25 pieces. Love these. I love making little brick stitch earrings out of these. We'll have some coming up in the future. I think that would be fun. Next up, we have a 14mm check glass button bead, white with satin taupe. So that's a sort of a taupey. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's not gold. It's definitely like a taupey color. So I love that. That's really pretty. And again, with these, you know, you can do anything, any kind of stringing. I just love, I love making just super simple earrings, wearing them all summer. Change them every day, change them according to your outfit. We were talking about that on Facebook. Somebody posted that, do you ever make jewelry to, you know, match your outfit? Definitely. And when you have things like this, you can make a pair of earrings in 5 minutes, and you know, to wear with your white sundress in the summer. Love it. We have a 14 millimeter Swarovski, 5840 pearl. The color is going to vary. You get one piece, and this is cobalt. Gorgeous focal Swarovski pearl. I love that we get these. Look how pretty these are. Look at this. Love. Just absolutely adore. Put the copper. Put that in. Put copper findings in. What a great, great color combo. Boy, they knocked it out of the park as far as I'm concerned with this color combo. Just beautiful. And we just have one last thing. I know I'm like going a little cuckoo over this. Okay, here we go. Let me move everything up a little bit. We have a bonus item, check glass metallic mix. We've been getting these quite often, and this is matte copper, 20 grams. Again, you get all different kinds of beads in here. You've got some spikes, you've got some of the crescents, you've got some bar beads, you've got these cool little 2-hole, I don't know what you'd call those. We've got, you know, that little meteorite-looking bead, and several daggers. So really pretty. So let me pop these out. So here's your dollar bead box for April 2023. Hello, this is gorgeous. I mean, I absolutely adore the colors in this box, and I love that they took the bag items and it just goes right with it. I mean, if you get the bag and the box, let me put this over here. If you get them both, you have beads for everything for the summer. Just add some seed beads and you're done. You've got so many beautiful projects you can make with these color combos. It's just stunning. All right, so don't forget to check the description box below the video for a link to the dollar bead box, to the coupon code, which escapes me because it changed at the moment. So it's going to be down below, or I'll try to get it up on the screen as well. Don't forget to use that. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Let's take a look at some of the earrings I made. So I did all earrings. I did 5 pairs of earrings, and I could have gone on, but I was just having so much fun. So I was having fun with wire. So all I did, the only thing that's added on here, of course, ear wires, and I have this is, I believe, 22 gauge wire. And I just thought, well, let's play with some spirals. So here I just made this spiral and then added some beads. And I think it's such a cute little summer earring. Isn't that neat? And then here's that meteorite bead. That is always like, what do I do with that thing? Here, these are stuck. So here, look how pretty it looks once you add something to it. Add these pretty, these are the little round druck beads, right? That were all in blues and greens that I thought were gemstones. And here's the meteorite bead. And of course, add a little spiral to anything and it looks good, right? And these are so much fun. I took the two of the triangle beads, and I put them, you know, long side together like that. And when you wear them, see how they twist around? It's kind of like a little mobile when you're wearing it. So that's kind of cool. And again, I put a spiral on the bottom there. These, I think, are my faves. I don't know. I think they're all cute, but I love that square, that sort of tile bead with this is that, the 4 millimeter druck bead there, little wrapped loop, and again, a big spiral at the bottom. Just elevates the piece a little bit. So cute. Love these for summer. And here, just a very plain piece. If you have a little white sundress in the summer, just pop these on, put your hair up. If you have long hair, just so cute. So these took me maybe, I don't know, 45 minutes, and that's because I had never made a spiral before. So I was practicing some spirals. All right, so here you go. Here are a few ideas for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.